If you are to ask to find the direction of vectors, it is the same thing as v is the same thing as what? The vector v divided by the magnitude of the vector that you are given. So this is the formula that you are going to use to find the direction of the vector. We have to first find the direction, the magnitude or length of this vector. So therefore the magnitude of this vector is the same thing as saying I have to say 3 squared minus plus negative 3 squared plus what? Plus 2 squared. This is the same thing as saying 3 squared, which is 9 plus 9 plus what? 4. This is the same thing as saying 9 plus 9, which is 18, and 18 plus 4, which is 22. Root of 22. So using the formula, v should now be equals to, we have the vector 3i minus 3j plus what? Plus 2k, all divided by root of 22. So this is the same thing as saying 3 divided by root of 22. And therefore minus what? I have have to say minus 3 divided by j divided by also root of what? 22, and plus what? Plus 2k divided by root of 22. So this is the direction of what? Of this vector. So we have the direction. If you are asked to find the direction of what? Direction of cosines and what? The cosines and angles. Direction of cosine is the same thing as saying cos what? Cos alpha is the same thing as 3 divided by root of what? 22, and the cos what? Cos beta is the same thing as what? Negative 3 by root of what? Root of 22. But if you are asked to find the direction of cosines and angles, so and therefore the cos what? Cos gamma, which is the same thing also as 2 divided by root of 22. So this is the direction of cosine. So if you're asked to find the angle, is the same thing as saying alpha is the same thing as what? As cos inverse of what? 3 by what? 3 by root of 22. And therefore beta is the same thing as saying cos what? Cos inverse of what? Negative 3 by root of what? By root of 22. And therefore gamma is the same thing as what? Also cos inverse of 2 by root of 22. So then you have to say the angles are the direction of cosines, and the directions of angles are the angles then